Good evening, and welcome to Fox 5 at 6. Tonight we kick off with a news story of immense curiosity. Foxcast Media has just announced that they're giving away not one, not two, but 3 cars. We've got our roving reporter Michael J. Fox on location out at the shop today to give us more details, as this is drawing immense interest. So we're going to go ahead and send it off to him. Michael, what all can you tell us about this?
Oh, sorry, rabbit. Yeah, so like you were saying there, Ron, Foxcast Media has just dropped. They're giving away 3 cars. It's absolutely insane. We came out to the shop to hear about this, and it's absolutely crazy.
Very, very interesting. So, Michael, let me just ask you, is that all you get when you become a premium subscriber of Foxcast Media?
No, that's not all, Ron. So every single month, they do over $1,000 a month in giveaways to their premium subscribers. They do pop-up drawings, gift cards, detail kits, parts, all kinds of amazing things. And to think that they're doing 3 total cars absolutely blows my mind.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing. So, this sounds amazing. Like, too good to be true. What can you tell me? Is this real? Is this legit?
It is absolutely real, Ron. They've already given away 2 cars, over $80,000 since they started the subscription back in 2018. It's absolutely real. It's absolutely legit. These guys really do it upright, and to give these cars away too just makes it even more insane.
That's pretty freaking awesome, Michael. It sounds like everything is on the up and up, and I must say, I think I need to subscribe to that as well.
Yeah, absolutely. Everybody should sign up for this. It's absolutely crazy. I've had a complete blast coming out here. I'm fixing to go in here and check out all these awesome cars. They do some crazy stuff. I'm sending it back to you.
So there you have it. Sounds like everything is pretty on the up and up with the Foxcast Media subscription. I definitely recommend signing up for that. I think I'm going to do that myself.
You're right. It's absolutely cool. They build all the cars they give away right here in this shop I'm standing in front of. It's a freaking cool deal. And then they give the cars away at major events like Ford Takeover. And the last one was at Foxtoberfest. It's still mind-blowing, such a cool experience, and how awesome would it be to win a fully built car you got to see from essentially start to finish? It still blows my mind.
Michael, thanks for all your information, and watch out for those rabbits out there, buddy. Alright, so we're going to break for commercial. Make sure you guys check out that subscription. Sounds like a pretty awesome deal. We'll be right back with Fox 5.
Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guys, we're putting the whole GT40 top-end kit through its paces today, and I've got to say, since it already had GT40 bar heads and it already had the cam, adding the intake made a huge freaking difference. And I mean, you can actually feel a big difference. The HO intake on there was a complete bottleneck. The heads and cam did help, but again, stock intake was the bottleneck. So let's go. Alright, so I will actually admit, on the drive home right after getting the intake on, I did actually get it to snap a second, which was pretty impressive. We're going to do the old AOD shuffle. See how she does. Why not? can definitely tell the car picked up quite a bit of power. It's got a little bit of a deeper tone to it, and I love it. Let's see if we can get it to do anything else. So overall, I'm really happy with the power gains. If I had to guess, by my butt-o-meter, 20-ish, 25 maybe. I don't know. You can definitely tell a difference in the sound it makes. It's got a deeper, throatier sound when you accelerate now, which is nice. It's flowing more air. But anyway, let's check out under the hood. So as far as the finished product, I'm really happy with it. I do got to swap back to my battery. That's why that old crusty battery's in there. But as far as how it looks, man, I freaking love it. Kevin did a bang up job painting this thing. The paint looks amazing. I still need to do a little more cleaning on it after the intake swap. Did have to play with it. Ended up having to tear it all back apart, which was a total pain in the ass. And the reason I had to pull it apart was it was lean popping really bad, and we thought we had all the vacuum lines plugged, everything was good, and no, it was lean popping horrible. So tore it all back apart, and I was like, man, I don't know, is it a vacuum leak? Or does it need 24-pound injectors? So essentially what I did find we had a vacuum leak, and while I was in there, I just went ahead and swapped to the 24-pound injectors. Had the mass air meter, which ironically was the same injectors and mass air that the car had on it when we got it, but the engine was stock. I yanked all that crap off because it didn't need it. Well, luckily I put it in a box and saved it, so now it's got the 24-pound injectors and the matching mass air meter, so it's good. Spins the tires now from a dead stop, which is an improvement. Man, guys, I'm sorry. Look, if we hadn't put the automatic in here, this car would be so much more fun. And I mean, you guys know why we put the auto in it. You know, it was for her, whatever. And hey, it's all good. But it definitely would have been a lot more fun of a car with it. But, oh well. 5-speed's gone now. It ain't coming back. Do another dead stop here. A little light chirp of a second. So one thing I have to know, and this car we had to fix a lot of electrical issues when we got it, but one thing I did notice is all of a sudden my radio started working. You can see the display is working now, and I have sound. It won't pick up anything, so I may need to check that. I'm pretty sure we plugged in the antenna, but yeah, it won't do anything. But we do have sound. And then another thing, which is odd, when we swapped to the automatic, the car would not cam like it did before when it had the 5-speed, but now it's back to chopping its ass off. I have no clue. I have absolutely no clue why it started camming again. I hadn't really messed with it because I knew we were about to do the intake swap, but yeah, it's back to camming and my old radio works, so gonna do a little checking. Maybe the antenna is not plugged in. Still have an exhaust leak. I've got to get that taken care of, but I mean, overall, I'm stoked. Whew. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this. I certainly enjoyed the doing the intake and all that. It's pretty freaking sweet. I love the way it looks. Just wish it had a little more power. But I mean, hey, again, this is Pop's car. This is the wife's cruiser. It's made to look pretty, not go fast. So yeah, we could put a converter in it. Not really worth it as far as I'm concerned. And